buddy, I got the bike tuned up. I still got Dan's bike here, and I've actually come to believe it's probably a pretty good bike. I haven't been able to get the little gear exchangers to shift, or whatever you call these things, switchers or whatever they are. And the chain is still pretty froze up. I got it soaking again in some freeze off, CRC freeze off. That seems to be pretty good stuff. Chain still got a few knotty links in it, but you know, I got looking at it. It's got a little spring-mounted doohickey with the back leg with a spring on it. It looks like it's got little shocks built into the front forks. And really, if this thing shifted good and all, I got a feeling that'd be a pretty good bike. I rode Heidi's bike up and down the hill, and boy, it's got all kind of low gear, so that's a pretty good bike too. Didn't need much on that one, just kind of oiled it up and oiled the chain and pumped the tires up, and it's good to go. So I'm making progress around here. I did stick the Toyota back door on there. I didn't rehinge it, I just kind of put it on there to keep the weather out, and I'll get back to that another day. I'm kind of prioritizing at this point what needs to be done before winter. I got some things that need to be cleaned up around here before the snow flies, and cars, I still got cars that need stickers. That Toyota out there is going to need a muffler and such for a sticker. So yeah, things are happening, just slow. Hey buddy, how you doing? There's my neighbor. You taking care of the dog? You're awesome, you know that? See you later.